Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to blur a part of your video using the Filmora mobile app. Now let's get started. First, open your Filmora app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on New Project, select the video you want to edit, tap on Import. Now that your video is on the timeline, tap on it to select it. Then scroll the button menu until you find effects or filter. Tap on that. Under those effects, scroll down and search for something called mosaic or blur. Tap on the blur effect you like and it will be added over your video. You will now see a blur box on the video preview. Use your fingers to resize and move the blur box over the part of the video you want to hide, like a face number or logo. To control how long the blur shows, drag the edge of the blur layers on the timeline to match the start and end of the moment you want to blur. Tap play to see how it looks. Once you are happy with the results, tap export at the top right, choose the video quality, then save to your phone. And that's it. You have blurred part of your video using Filmora mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.